Hi there, this is Fixed It, the simple woodworking tip. If you need to screw some pieces together like this, what people who don't do much woodwork tend to do is that they get their drill and they try and drill straight in there. What will happen is you'll end up with a total and complete mess. Screw will be all over the place. So what you need is a small thin drill, and make sure that the drill is thinner than the screw thread, and you want to drill in about 2 centimeters an inch. And what that will do is that will give you a perfect guide hole. It'll mean that you can screw it in without wrecking the screw head, because there's always a chance at some stage you might want to pull it out, and it makes the job so much quicker. Start off slowly, that's it, just so that it lies there, and then you can screw in as quickly as you like. And there you have it. Perfect screw. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share it with others. Thanks for watching. Bye.